Hi guys, this is a VR project. This project is based on how your decisions impact the environment. If you continue littering and continue the air or the water pollution, how it will impact the future. So this is a decision-based project. If you take all the good decisions, the good features are activated. We currently start in a neutral scene, and accordingly that impacts the future. We have considered two bad future and one good future. So let's jump into the project and show you wrong. What a beautiful beach. This is such a good day to relax. Hmm, there's trash on the beach. This is so disgusting. Why would anyone throw it? Should I pick this up? We chose not to pick this up, then this happens.
Next time you see trash on the floor, please pick it up. We are trying to preserve this beach's beauty. I'm working on this study regarding water pollution, and you're not making it any easier, by the way. Would you please look at this flyer now?
Oh, thank you. I will have a look at this flyer. I think this might be important.
Hey, you should check out those protesters there, and maybe you'll want to join them.
We have placed like when you have to make the decision, the FPS cannot move out of the collider so that the user has to make the decisions and cannot escape that particular area. We can see the company polluting the air and the water being leaked here and different pipelines here.
Please join us in our fight
Here we see
against
the
this evil
protesters
corporation.
and the company
Please.
representative.
This company has been spilling toxic waste into our beach. They do not care about the environment. Their greed is destroying. Hello, friend. We're asking people to sign our petition to ban this corporation from contaminating the beach.
Wait. Don't believe these hippies. We are doing everything right. We are following the law and we have permits from the town mayor. What's wrong with you guys?
Under the law? Just look at that factory polluting the air and water. People are getting sick just by being here.
That has not been proven. And absolutely, there is no way you can claim such things which are not proven.
Ignore this guy. Would you like to sign it?
I reject. No, I won't sign it. I think the company is doing nothing wrong. You are overreacting. Nothing bad is going to happen. You are definitely a lost cause.
Oh, come on. Do you seriously believe his lies?
Huh. I wonder what the future will look like.
No.
What the hell happened to this place? The fishes are dead. There are no more people visiting the beach. After all, the protesters were right. This company was indeed polluting everything. I wonder what would have happened if I had signed the petition to ban them. Well, I guess there's no turning
What
back
happened to
now.
this place? A natural beauty gone, becoming extinct. Oh,
Like we see,
People are like pigs. I really hate this job.
people be in trouble here, and the flies is full of flies.
No. Heaven has
The
become
company has
hell.
also expanded.
No.
what happened to this place? A natural beauty gone.
So this is the bad scene that has all the trash as well as the company is not being shut down. It was all based on your decisions. So similarly, we have
A
the
natural
good
beauty
scene
gone, becoming extinct.
and the
Oh,
other
no.
bad scenes as well. And we have different conclusion speech for everything. Hope you like the project.
So the way our project works is that we have a finite state machine that, according to the current state, the animations for the characters, the people that are interacting with the user will change. At first, we declare all the variables corresponding to these characters that interact with you. For example, during the protesters scene, um, we have the protester and a company representative. So the way the finite state machine works is that after the user enters a trigger, the protester will stand up and start talking to the user, and he will tell you and ask you to join his cause because there's this company polluting the environment. So in this script, we can see that when we enter the sequence number one, that's state number one, we change the animation corresponding to the protester to a talking animation, and we play what he has to say. In the same way, we actually change the company representative animation to walk towards the protester, and after that we change to the second state. In this case, it's the company representative's turn to talk, and we change his animation and start playing the audio that corresponds to whatever he has to say. In the meantime, the protester will face him and enter an idle state. Uh, that means he's just basically listening. Um, we keep doing this for several states until the protester asks the user whether he will be joining or not his cause. This is the most important part of the project, in which the user is able to say yes or no to his questions. In this example, the protester leader will ask the user to sign a petition to ban the company from operating in that beach. If the user says yes, in this case, he pressed the fire to button, he will play. He will say that no, that yes, he will join the cause. And in the other case, he will say no. This will raise a flag with a positive or a negative answer. This flag will be true if the user chose the positive decision, and this flag will be false otherwise. According to this output, the protester will have different replies on each case, and then we will give this flag to another script that will read if the user selected the right or the wrong choices. According to that, it will change the way the future will look like. In this example, we'll show how the good future ended up to be. The user picked up the trash that he or she saw. That's the first decision. And the second decision is the protesters' interaction. If the user says yes to both of them, he will get a very nice and beautiful beach, and the beach will gain the blue flag category.
I signed the petition from day one.
And on this diagram, we show the 4 possible outcomes from the application. So we start on this neutral beach scene, and if the user takes the good decisions, then the future will be having an environmentally friendly beach. Like it looks beautiful and all. But if the user makes one wrong decision, then the future will change according to that. So if the user just picked the trash and didn't join the protesters, then it will have a future in which the company didn't shut down and polluted the water completely, but the littering problem was gone. In the second case, if the user didn't pick up the trash but did join the protesters, we will have a future in which the company is gone, but the beach is full of waste. And there's a third case in which the user picks both wrong answers, and we have a completely ruined and completely bad scene in which the beach is full of litter, and the company didn't shut down, so it's polluted everywhere. So in this example, this corresponds to the user not picking up the trash, but the user joined the protesters' cause. So as you can see, the company left, and there's no more pollution on the water because of the toxic waste. But the user didn't pick up the trash, so we are showing a possible effect of littering in which the environment is completely ruined, and we have uh, dead fishes and mosquitoes everywhere, and we have the workers picking up the trash, 4 of them. You can actually listen to what they have to say. There's so much trash in here. People are like idiots. Also, whenever there's a bad future, we also want to change how the skybox was modified from a very bright sky to someone darker that looks uglier. And as you can see here, we added this fence to show that the beach is no longer available for tourists because of the littering problem.
So now we talk about the frame, how we reduce the frame rate. The major thing we did to avoid the frame rate was that we didn't make any more scenes. Like this is all working on one scene, and everything is activated and deactivated according with the script, at a base on your decisions. Now the controlling of the skybox, same thing. It's controlled by the script. Everything is all dependent on the script. To reduce the frame rate, we avoided using the particle system. We can't avoid using the animations because we had to use virtual humans. So, and we got a frame rate of 80 to 90 on our laptops, but when we're running on the mobile devices, we got a quite decent frame rate. So that's all for our project. Hope you like it.